YouTube video over understanding if statements. What is an if statement? An if statement will be a conditional statement that'll execute code only if the condition given is true. Typically, these expressions are Boolean expressions, meaning that if the condition inside can either be true or false. If that condition is false, it'll skip your code block. This conditional statement allows you to your program to handle different outcomes differently and respond dynamically to different inputs. The syntax for a if statement. The basic structure is an if statement, followed by its condition, and then what you want to happen if that condition passes. You can also see that on an if statement, you can have else if and else. These can have their own conditions and their own outcomes. This helps handle multiple scenarios in your code and with different unexpected inputs. Real-world applications. Uses of if statements to check user input. You can check the game logic and respond to events. They allow your program to recognize what's happening and have an outlined plan on how to handle different situations. You can see from this example right here, this is a conditional if statement determining if a person purchasing something is a member, they get a discount, and then a higher discount if it's over a certain price, and if they're not a member, no discount for them. The wrap up for the if statements. They're foundational to decision making and programming. Mastering them will allow you to create more complex programs and will allow you to create programs that'll adapt and have an outlined plan on how to handle different and unexpected inputs. If statements allow you to build much more interactive programs, allowing the user to kind of be able to have all of their inputs handled. And by experimenting with multiple conditions, if statements inside of themselves and the else if statements that we saw earlier, you can fully see the power and the utility of a conditional if statement. Thank you very much for watching my video.